फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज की क्यूज तो चले शुरू करें। पहला क्वेश्चन, द एबिलिटी ऑफ द बॉडी रेगुलेटरी सिस्टम टू करेक्ट एसिड बेस इम्बैलेंस इज ए प्रोसेस कॉल्ड ए कंपनसेशन, बी मॉडिफिकेशन, सी वेंटिलेशन, डी डिफ्यूजन। आंसर इज ए compensation. Next question. When assessing a patient with diabetes insipidus, which of the following finding is expected? A. Edema, B. Polyuria, C. Heat intolerance, D. Diarrhea. Answer is polyuria. Next question. Protein in the urine is a sign of which long-term complication of diabetes is known as? A. Neuropathy, B. Retinopathy, C. Gastroparesis, D. Nephropathy. Answer is D. Nephropathy. Next question. Which one of the following is the purpose of CABG surgery? A. Cure coronary artery disease, B. Increase blood flow to myocardium, C. Prevent spasm of the coronary arteries, D. Decrease blood flow to the coronary arteries. Answer is B. Increase blood flow to myocardium. Next question. The nurse is contributing to the plan of care for a patient with allergic rhinitis. Which of the following intervention should the nurse anticipate will be included in the treatment plan? A. Epinephrine, B. Gold salt, C. Anticholinergic medication, D. Avoiding environmental stimuli. Answer is D. Avoiding environmental stimuli. Next question. Superficial layer of skin is called A. Dermis, B. Adipose, C. Epidermis, D. Subcutaneous. Answer is C. Epidermis. Next question. The bone which is also known as kneecap, A. Tibia, B. Fibula, C. Femur, D. Patella. Answer is D. Patella. Next question. Exchange of gases between the blood and lungs is known as A. Oxygenation, B. External respiration, C. Internal respiration, D. Excretion. Answer is B. External respiration. Next question. The insufficiency of this substance in the blood may lead to edema of the body. A. Albumin, B. Hormones, C. Electrolytes, D. Gases. आंसर इज एल्बुमिन। दोस्तों, अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो वीडियो को पॉज करके क्वेश्चन को अच्छी तरह पढ़ ले, जिसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे बढ़े। Tissue repair can take place due to the synthesis of protein which occur in the Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer is ribosome. Next question. Regulation of water and sodium in the body is by the action of A. Antidiuretic hormone, B. Aldosterone, C. Thrust mechanism, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Net ATP molecules generated in the conversion of glucose to lactase are 0, 2, 3, 4. Answer is B. 2. Next question. Which antibody cross placenta? A. IgA, B. IgG, C. IgE, D. IgM. Answer is B. IgG. Next question. Best indicator of HIV prognosis. A. CD4 T cell count, B. CD4 T cell count, C. HIV RNA, D. ELIS. Answer is A. CD4 T cell count. Next question. Which of the following items should be placed in preparation for a pap smear? A. Syringe, B. Vaginal speculum in water, C. Dry sterile vaginal speculum, D. Vaginal speculum with lubricant. Answer is C. Dry sterile vaginal speculum. Next question. A chemical agent that inhibits bacterial growth is called A. Disinfectant, B. Bacterostat, C. Germicide, D. Sterilant. Answer is B. Bacterostat. Next question. Rice water stool is characteristic symptoms of the which of the following infection? A. Vibrio cholerae, B. Corynebacterium diphtheria, C. Pneumococcus, D. Escherichia coli. Answer is A. Vibrio cholerae. Next question. The growth and multiplication of microorganisms is known as A. Staining, B. Culture, C. Isolation, D. Autoclaving. Answer is B. Culture. Next question. Illusion is A. False perception, B. Misinterpretation of actual stimuli, C. Increased intensity of stimuli, D. Sensory distortion. Answer is B. Misinterpretation of actual stimuli. Next question. Fear of heights is termed as A. Algophobia, B. Claustrophobia, C. Acrophobia, D. Gamophobia. आंसर इज C. Acrophobia. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थी हमारी आज की क्यूज। आपको कैसी लगी हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं। थैंक यू।